Welcome back to Evergreen Seniors, your home for living a vibrant and mindful life. As we cross the milestone of 60, a common shadow often looms over us: the fear of cognitive decline. We see millions of people flocking to brain training apps, hoping to keep their minds sharp. But are we spending our time wisely? What does science actually say about these games? Today, we are stepping into the brain lab to find the real answers. For a long time, people believed the brain stopped growing once we hit adulthood. Modern science has proven the opposite through a concept called neuroplasticity. Imagine your brain is like a forest. If you always walk the same path, it becomes a worn trail that's a habit. Training your brain is like clearing new paths. The more paths you have, the more resilient the forest becomes. The key point: brain games are just one tool to clear those paths, but they aren't the only way. A massive study from Cambridge University on 11,000 people showed that brain games make you better at the game, but they don't necessarily make you smarter in daily life tasks. So, how do we train the right way? The non-dominant hand method. Try brushing your hair or using a spoon with your left hand if you're right-handed. This forces the opposite hemisphere of your brain to work harder. Reading aloud. Instead of reading silently, read a book or news article out loud. This activates a coordination between vision, hearing, and speech motor skills. The route recall technique. After coming home from the market, try to draw a map of your journey. Include small details. Where was that new shop? Where was the blooming tree? Learn a simple instrument, like a kalimba or a drum. Music is one of the few activities that engages the entire brain simultaneously. Social interaction games, chess, bridge, or even a deep conversation. Predicting an opponent's move or understanding a friend's emotion is high-intensity brain exercise. Exercise without fuel is useless. Your brain needs raw materials to build those new connections. Omega-3. Found in salmon and walnuts, it keeps brain cell membranes flexible. Antioxidants. Berries protect your brain from inflammation. Hydration. Don't let your brain dry out. A mere 2% drop in hydration can significantly impact your concentration. Dear friends, there is one truth that no machine or app can ever replace: persistence and the joy of living. Your brain isn't just a machine that needs maintenance. It is a vital part of your soul. When you try a new game and feel a bit confused, please don't be discouraged. That exact moment when things feel challenging is actually when your brain is changing and growing stronger. Don't fear mistakes, and don't worry about being slow. Every puzzle you solve, every story you share with your grandchildren, is a priceless gift to your intellect. Remember, the ultimate goal isn't to become a gaming expert, it's to keep our minds clear so we can fully cherish every happy moment with our loved ones. Friends, the brain is like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. Brain games are a great start, but remember to step outside, socialize, learn new things, and eat well. That is the true formula for a sharp mind. If you'd like us to create a video on specific memory exercises you can do at home, let us know in the comments. Stay curious, stay active, and stay evergreen. See you in the next video.